Okay, it's my first time using this. Looking at it, it looks very nice. Put the lid on. You line up the arrows here. Let's see. And you push this down and turn it on. And I have some strawberries, ice cubes, and a little pineapple orange juice in there. And I'll try it on one to begin with. Take it off. Let's see. Hold on a second. There we go. You have to slide it to get it off. Sorry, it's hard to do it with hand. Okay. Open it up and pour it in a glass. See how it looks. Perfect.
To show you this product, after a while, stops functioning. So here we go. You're supposed to turn it on. You're supposed to hit number 1 or 2 or 3, and it runs and operates. That's what's supposed to happen. But watch this. What's up with that? I can even try to hold it, and it won't stay on. It won't do what it's supposed to do. Again, what's up with that? It won't blend. And I shouldn't have to hold the pause button. That's the only way I can get it to blend. I'm not supposed to be holding it. I'm supposed to be able to operate it through my first, second, or third function. And it won't work. I'm not supposed to hold it, and even if I try to hold it, it still don't run. Amazon, what do I do? This is my review on the Ninja blender.
It's a big, powerful blender, Ninja blender, sold, I think, primarily through Amazon. It has AMZ at the end of the model number. And it comes with this large plastic mixing container. This interior, this blade is, it's very sharp. It just rests in there. It's very sharp. So be very careful in putting your hands in there and cleaning and so forth, because it's going to cut you if you're not careful. It goes on like this. And then you must put the top on, and it goes on only in one way. You can see that the pouring corner. You push down, you press over, and when it's on, it holds. There's a hole in the top. Let me show you. That you can see that piece there. This top actually goes into that hole right there. I'm touching it now. It goes into that hole. It needs to have this top on, the lid on, to hold it in. All right, and then you clamp it down. It's fixed. Power on and off here, and here is the pulse. And it's just a really powerful, a very nice blender.
So I just bought this thing, so I got the tag on it. I mean, it's brand new, but I don't know what seems to be the problem. I've tried to find a few YouTube videos to assist me. I seen one that kind of got close to showing me how it goes, but when I sit it on here, it just sits. It doesn't latch on to anything, and I know these are supposed to be lined up. And then when I try to press down on it, it doesn't sit comfortably on there. And it just kind of, I didn't pay for things to be difficult like this. So I'm going to send it back because it's just not good.